I'm back again with another video this morning, and today is Wednesday, and it's 7th of June. So what I saw in the market last night was I have it in my previous video, and I have the record on my Notion here. So what I saw was this. I saw price creating some kind of point of interest here, and a liquidity was created also. So I was expecting price to get to any of these point of interest, then trigger, then give me the confirmation to go into the market. But now the current situation is this. So after having these two point of interest as my main focus, I was expecting price to take this, and if this fails, this should be able to hold the price, then move up. And look at what happened here. The first one failed, and the second one was holding the market. So that was when I entered the trade here, pull up a trade here, put my stop loss below this structure here, below this level, and I'm expecting price to get to this H4 structure up here. So that was what I pulled out this morning, and I was in the trade, and I'm still in the trade. So when price gets to this level, I was seeing some kind of break of structure here around this level, which I use as my liquidity. I was seeing break of structure at that particular point, and I'm seeing this OB here to be disturbing the price. It might put the price down or push it up. So I close like 50% of this trade. Once price got to this plan, I put the rest on break even. You can see I put this on break even, and I close 50% from this level here, and I watch how price respect and react to this level. So that's currently what is happening on the chart. You can see this was when I pull out 50 of this candle here. This bearish candle gave me that signal to pull out 50 out of what is happening, because once price respects level like this, it might drop, then try to give you another setup. But look at what is happening now. This level is taken out. Let me take it off. That means that OB is not valid. It's not a valid OB. We'll look out for price on this level. If we have the rejection, then that means we've taken out this structure. Look at this. We've taken out this eye here. That's a break of structure already. That is a break of structure. And our point of interest again will be on this OB down here. Then let me put this aside like this. Okay, so we have new point of interest. Once price reacts to this level, I will close out, like, let's say another 20% from that trade, and leave the rest to run. If it not on break even, fine. If it doesn't, it's still cool. But I'm expecting price to drop from this point because of this high that was taken out. Price should drop here, then pick me up again. So my main target is this H4 structure there for the day. So that's my main target for the day. So let's see how this will go. Let's see how this will go. But currently price is still going bullish, and the overall movement is happening from this level here. You can see we have this impulse. Look at this. We have this impulse, then we have this O range happening. You can see. So we never can tell. You can see price can just follow this trend, then move to this point. So that is my expectation right now. But let's see how price react to this break of structure and to this point of interest here. Then this Asian high too. Let's see how price react to it. Let me delete that. And is that arrow or what? Okay, is arrow. Let me delete that and put that's the Asian high. So let's see how price react to that high, and see how markets will react to this point of interest to take us into this market. Then we'll go bullish. From the last video I made in the morning, I was talking about the trade I entered from this point. I took the trade from this level. I was expecting price to get to this H4 structure up there, but I was considering this Asian high for price reaction. Also, likewise, I was seeing this I2 as a potential break of structure in the morning. But look at what happened after price get to this level. Before price gets to this level, I took out my about, let's say, about 60% of the profit from this OB here in the morning. I put the rest on break even because of this rejection I saw in the morning. This red candle here was what I saw in the morning that made me to pull out 60% of the profit from this level and put the rest on break even to see the market reaction. There was a break of this high. That was when I defined this high as a break of structure. Then I identified this level, this OB here, as another new point of interest. You can see another new point of interest. So this trade that I put the rest of the running trade on break even, I was top out on break even from this first trade. So this one is out, and look at what happened exactly. Price failed to take out the Asian high, and but this high was taken out. That was when this was defined as break of structure, and this level, this candlestick here, and this OB here was used as my new point of interest, as you can see. So price gradually moved down into it and snapped into the point of interest, then moved up. So I pull in on this trade. Like I was saying, I was looking at this very closely. I pull in on this trade and I target my 100 pips. So this I was taken out, the Asian I2 was taken out, and my 100 pips, boom. So immediately I saw this, I pull out of this trade immediately. The major thing that made me come out of that trade, I made me leave that trade, is the fact that I saw some kind of level of some kind of points where price might react to. Look at this. Look at this. So I saw this on the 4-hour time frame. Then I moved down closely to 1 hour. You will see exactly what I'm trying to say here. Look at the same thing is happening on this level too. And if I should move back in time, you can see that that level has been a strong level in the past. You can see that level has been a strong level in the past. So that was why I pull out of the trade when the price got to this point. And look how massive the price is dropping in less than 1 hour. Look at how massive the price dropped. And one thing I will look for here is this. I'm seeing another point of another point I can go into this market again. Look at this. This is we'll define this as a break of structure. Then I have my new OB here. Look at this candle here. This old candle here is my new point of interest. So let's see how price reacts within this level. I've taken profit on this. This is out already. So let's see how price reacts within this level. Let's see how price reacts within this level. Look far left, you will see something that price might react to. Once price get to that level, those particular point, those particular zone, particular structure, anything you might call it, watch out very well. Watch out closely at that particular point. Price might start to react to those level. And most time I go down 5 minutes, because if you are going to be waiting for 15-minute reaction to take profit on particular level, you'll be missing out a lot of profit that you've already gotten from the market. So I moved down as low as 5 minutes or even 3 minutes to see the reaction of candlestick at that particular level. Look at this. If you use 5 minutes, you can see the loss of momentum when price gets to this level. You can see. So once you see this kind of reaction, you should know there's something that might happen at that level. Then I'm looking at it on 3 minutes, very clear. You can see the loss of momentum. I will be pulling out of trade at this point when I'm seeing this kind of reaction here. So, and this level is a strong level right from the higher time frame. So this high tendency price is going to react to that level. So you get out of the market as soon as possible before it turns against you. Going into the market is one thing. Knowing when to leave the market is another thing entirely. So you have to be very careful. So let me go back to 15-minute time frame to see the price reaction here. So I'm expecting price to react to this level. If it doesn't, if this should fail, I'll be looking at price getting back into this daily structure. Then probably this OB might trigger, or this OB, which are the point of interest I have here, might trigger. So let's see how price reacts. In the next 15 minutes, I should be able to know where market is heading to when it gets to after reacting to this point. I don't know when exactly this whole ranging period is going to end. I don't know, maybe this week or next week. I don't know yet, but I know it's going to happen one day. So the only thing I need to do is just for me to keep my eye on the trade, on the market, keep my eye on the market, and look at how market is reacting to those structures. So I majorly have three structure right now. I have three structure right now that I'm watching out for. So this one is just for price reaction. It's not majorly, it's not meant for to call me in on any trade. It's just like price reaction, like the way I took out the profit from that level. That is why this is there. So let me take that off so that I have clearer picture of what I'm doing. So let me take all this off. So as you can see, like I said in my previous videos, that once since the price is reacting at this to this H4 structure, there's high tendency we are moving back to this H4 structure up here. So and look at how market has been moving and been ranging. After this impulse, we have a lot of ranging markets here before any move is going to happen. So I'm still looking at this market closely. I'll be looking carefully and I'll be reacting to what the market is saying. So that will be all for now.